Okay, guys, so this is one of the cakes. Now, due to Luisito, we had a little incident, but we're gonna fix it.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Kicking It with Kriss. Today we are making a vanilla cake with chocolate frosting. Measuring cup.
Which is broken.
Some vegetable oil. The cake batter, of course. And we're going to need 3 eggs for frosting because we're going to bake another cake for frosting.
The eggs are frozen, and then you're gonna also need some water. So if you guys wanna see them bake this cake, make sure that you keep on watching.
Give it a thumbs up and stay tuned.
Thumbs up that video, because you know it's gonna be cute.
A bowl to mix the stuff in and like a spoon or something, whatever you have in your house. I don't know what that is.
Okay, so we are ready to pour in the cake batter first.
You gotta pour some of the cake batter in. Yeah.
She wants to pour some, he wants to pour some, so we're just gonna do halvesies. Luis just wants to touch everything.
That's it.
And I'm gonna make it.
No, Elijah's gonna pour the yeah, she's making a mess. Okay.
It looks like cornstarch. Yeah.
All right, just pour the rest. Come on, guys.
All of this or just
Yeah, all of it.
all of it? Just pour all of it.
We're gonna pour all the cake batter in. This is a Betty Crocker
Berry cracker.
yellow cake, super
These
moist.
cakes taste really good.
So we're gonna
They
get
even
that.
smell good. Yeah. The batter. It actually smells like vanilla.
So there, you add in the cake batter.
Oh yeah, it is. Looks like cornstarch. It does. Okay.
Now we're gonna add the 1 cup of water.
All of it?
All of it.
Okay.
And then we are going to add the oil.
1 cup of, half a cup of oil. Not a whole one. It says nothing. This is half a cup. So you can open it.
Tidal wave.
Wow.
You're cute.
Can you open the cup? Now you're gonna add in a half cup of oil.
I really hope that's not oil on the table.
It's just water. No, it's water. Maybe.
Okay, now we're going to add in some eggs. Let's try our best not to get the eggshell.
Don't give me the cracked one. Yeah, that would be bad.
We're gonna crack these eggs and get them
Don't give me
in.
the cracked one.
Come on, guys. It should be like.
How do you do it? You crack on the table. On the table?
No, just don't crack it that hard. We're not gonna ruin the cake. I'm scared, guys, because this is actually one of her birthday cakes.
And I'm scared. Ooh, wait, got it. Oh. OMG.
That was-
Mommy, let me see you.
Aquí, aquí.
And there? Okay. Wow, at least I didn't get any of the now you're gonna add it to
She's adding the second egg in,
I did a lot.
and we're gonna go ahead and put.
Don't tell me to do the dirty one. No, I'm
We're gonna just let Camille crack the eggs.
Yeah. Don't trust me for anything.
So we're gonna add 1 more egg in.
Yeah, open it. Yeah.
Yeah, you got some in the thing. You got some in your apron, I think.
That's all right. There we go. And
Here, could I start whisking first? Yeah.
Not like quickly, but I mean start whisking, don't let it sit. Now you're just gonna whisk? Yeah, just gonna whisk it. Smell. It smells good actually. Because it's vanilla cake? It smells really good. Don't let it sit, start whisking.
okay, so now we are going to put the oven. It's gonna be 2 9-inch round pans. It says 29 minutes, but I'm gonna preheat the oven, and it's 350. So we are going to put it again to 175, just like the cookies. I guess that's just the standard in Celsius, and we are gonna let that preheat. Excuse me, child, you don't wanna be there. Now Camille is mixing.
Now it looks like slime.
It's not slime.
Now it feels like I'm
We're going to eat it.
It feels like I feel like I'm making edible slime. Wait. It does. I feel like I'm making edible slime.
He's so cute though, is he not?
Yeah, he's
Ay,
adorable.
tan lindo. Papi, no, it's
No, it's eggs.
Oh, let me buy it.
Ahora en donde va yo.
Oh, wait.
So we are mixing.
I wish you guys could smell. It smells so good. It does smell pretty good. It's kind of like, it looks kind of like oobleck. Like yellow oobleck. Yellow oobleck. That's what
Don't know what oobleck is. It's
watch
like,
a video. Don't tell them. Just go watch the last video.
Oh, wait a minute.
So we went ahead and I sprayed the pans with Pam. These are two 9-inch round pans, and that's what the cake batter is going to get into. Sorry for the noise, but this is a kids video, y'all. You are kicking it with Kriss's kids today.
Oh, it's gonna fall on the floor.
Tell me, is this not the cutest thing? Mix it, baby, mix it.
Fix it.
Mix the cake, baby. Oh, what a wonderful job.
Go brush your teeth.
You guys stop being mean to each other, jeez. We're on video. They're constantly fighting.
No, we're not.
We have the cakes in the oven, and we're gonna bake them for about 30 minutes. And look, yep, that's a baby crawling on the floor.
So these are the final results.
Not final. These are the results for now.
Before we frost
Before
it.
frosting and putting them on the platter. But we're gonna put them on top of each other.
Yep. We're gonna put them on top of each other, and then tomorrow, my birthday, we're gonna frost them.
Okay, guys, so this is one of the cakes. Now, due to Luisito, we had a little incident, but we're gonna fix it. And he keeps touching the cake. We are not gonna do that. And we're going to frost in the middle and then put the other cake on top of it. As you can see, we're not having the greatest time with this cake, but we are definitely trying, guys. Give us an A for effort.
Jenny.
Yeah, guys. This could possibly end up in a... Louie, cálmate. All right, so that one worked out. So there we go. There's the other layer of the cake. How's it looking, guys? What do you think? Look at this kid in the background. Yeah, he's driving me a little nutty over here.
He's playing my pygmy pop. No.
So now we're going to... No! Stop. Bacon with children. We're done. We're done. The cake's frosted. Done. Daddy, do.
No, I hate that song.
I'm gonna cry because the cake did not turn out how I wanted.
Yummy. It's not what I was expecting, but it's still good.
It's not.
It's
Well,
gonna taste good though.
Louis ripped it up.
I want to eat it. It looks so good.
No.
But I have to wait till night.
This is not supposed to happen, guys. This was not part of the video. The cake literally
I'm over
flipped.
here trying to
The
lick the
cake
frosting.
literally flipped in my hand. When I tell you the cake flipped
Yeah.
in my hand, it
It
flipped
flipped.
in my hand.
And she catched it.
This is the kids' cake, by the way.
Yeah, and we have two cakes, which is the other one.
The other one that Mommy's doing and that she's going to work very careful on. And this
Yeah.
is the one where Camille's going to blow out the candles. Unless she decides she wants to use mine instead.
No.
So we're going to zoom you guys through here and...
We have chocolate and white frosting, but we decided to do white because it's more unicorny, right, Mommy?
Yep, we're going to zoom you guys through this part and see how it goes. Addie put a little touch on the cake to try to save it. Happy B-Day Mimi, which is her nickname. So we'll finish decorating it up and show you the final result. Guys, so this is how the cake ended up turning out, the kids' cake. It looks cute, it's not bad. Happy birthday, Mimi.
We just put these decorations
And that is how it ended up turning out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thought it was fun. A little funny, a little fun, and super cute. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and to tap that notification bell to be notified of future videos.
Bye!